So, I think we left off with like you're leash walking him, but you are sharing with me the other things that you're doing.
We're doing laser twice a day. I bought this laser last summer, I guess, primarily for one of my other dogs, but also for him. Took me a bit to get started using it, but this made it absolutely, well, other dog's injury and then his injury made it absolutely essential that I start. And it's pretty comfortable and easy to use. My husband used it when I was gone earlier this weekend. He's now doing it as well, so
Awesome.
the dogs don't mind it at all.
And then go ahead and just show us the area that you're lasering him.
Tazzy, can you bang? Taz, bang. I know you're
It's kind of hard.
He says I'm not quite in the right place
Yes,
there.
kinda
Good
No, I
boy. Can you bang? Taz, bang. That's a good boy. All right, so we've got the leg in two positions, supporting outside or underneath. Get him so he's essentially straight here. And there are 4 places that I'm lasering. The first is you find the eye in the knee. You can feel the top here of a bone and the bottom here. There's a spot in here. And we're lasering on top here and underneath. And we're lasering here. And directly opposite that eye on the back here. And we're doing it in this position. And we're doing it flexed. All those 4 spots. Top of the eye, underneath, here and here, with it in this position as well.
Perfect, awesome. And you're icing as well, I understood.
Yes.
And so those are things we talked about. Controlled leash walk, and then ice and laser. Taz has been on collagen for a very long time, so of course we're maintaining that, or the owner's maintaining that, as well as he gets tendon ligament soup, which is sort of a homemade collagen. So we're giving him the nutrients that he needs. He is on a pain reliever. He's on meloxicam, which we had just started for him just because of his stage of life arthritis that was becoming a more significant issue for him. But he's on all sorts of natural pain relievers and nutraceuticals. But the 2 biggest things is controlling exercise or activity. So he's not ripping around with the other girls, and here's pictures of these perfect stairs that Dad had previously made, and they have a yoga mat on top of them. It's actually a very fancy patterned yoga mat, which we'll have a link to that as well. I just learned about that company. But the stair is a low step with a significant surface area for the dog to stand on. So they talk about rise versus run. We want a nice big run so it's comfortable for your dog, but a short rise, again, so that's comfortable for your dog. And then as Taz progresses here in his healing, we are going to start increasing his exercise.